Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Power Boost. I'm Shawn Michael, and today we're talking about how to train one of the most powerful tools you already have, your brain. Have you ever noticed how once you decide to buy a certain car, you suddenly see that car everywhere? That's not magic. It's your brain's Reticular Activating System, or RAS, in action. Your RAS is like the filter for your mind. It decides what gets your attention and what fades into the background. Here's the good news: you can actually train your RAS to focus on the things that matter most to you, your goals, your vision, and your success. In today's episode, we'll explore how the RAS works, why it's essential in achieving your goals, and the practical ways to reset it for success.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in.
So, what exactly is the RAS? It's your brain's gatekeeper. It's a bundle of nerves at the brainstem. Its job is to filter the millions of pieces of information you're exposed to every second. You might not notice the hum of your refrigerator until someone points it out. That's your RAS at work. The key is focus. Your RAS highlights what your brain believes is important. But here's the catch: it only knows what you tell it is important. It's part of your default settings. If you're not intentional, your RAS might focus on fears, doubts, distractions. But with the right mindset, you can program it to filter for opportunities, solutions, and success. When I first started my coaching journey, my RAS was working against me. I kept noticing why it wouldn't work: competition, lack of time, a fear of failure. But it wasn't until I intentionally shifted my focus to what I could do that I started noticing opportunities like new clients and creative ideas. My results changed the moment my focus did. Now that we know how the RAS works, I want to talk about how to reset it for success. There are three steps. The first, you have to define your vision. The RAS needs clear instructions. What do you want to achieve? And be specific. Instead of saying, I want to grow my business, you'll want to say, I want to sign 3 new clients this month who align with my values. Second, it's activated through visualization. I've said it before, visualization is one of the most powerful tools for resetting your brain, and especially your RAS. When you imagine achieving your goals vividly, your brain starts looking for ways to make them happen. If you're able, I want you to close your eyes and picture yourself succeeding. What do you see, hear, feel? Anchor this visualization with a physical gesture like squeezing your thumb and forefinger together. Third, you gotta focus on what you want, not on what you fear. Your RAS doesn't distinguish between positive or negative, it just follows your focus. If you dwell on your problems, your RAS will look for more problems. This requires a reframe. Instead of thinking, I don't want to fail, focus on, I'm excited to learn and grow. Now take a moment to write down one goal you want to focus on. Be as specific as possible. Then ask yourself, what would it look like to achieve this? Here are some practical tools to strengthen your RAS and keep it aligned with your goals. The first is daily affirmations. Affirmations reinforce the instructions you give your RAS. If you say something like, I attract opportunities that align with my vision and values. Second is your gratitude practice. It trains your RAS to notice the good things in your life, which builds your momentum. Practice this. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for that are connected to your goals. Third, requires being intentional. Daily ask yourself, who am I being today to move closer to my vision? If your goal is to grow your business, focus on being resourceful, confident, and proactive. Fourth, you have to surround yourself with inspiration. Your environment influences your RAS, so surround yourself with visuals, people, and reminders that reinforce your goals. You might create a vision board or put a sticky note on your desk with your top goal. Here's my pro tip: combine these tools into your morning routine to start each day with clarity and focus. Your RAS is always working, so wouldn't you want to train it to work for you? When you give your brain clear instructions and focus on what you want, you'll start noticing the opportunities, connections, and solutions that bring your goals to life. Here's my challenge for you: write down one specific goal and spend 5 minutes visualizing yourself achieving it. Feel the excitement, confidence, and joy as if it's already done. Then watch as your focus shifts in the days ahead. If this episode gave you a new perspective, share it with someone who's ready to train their brain for success. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Power Boost for more tools and strategies to help you thrive. Thanks again for spending your time with me today. Remember, you're always in control of your focus. Now go make it count. Talk to you tomorrow.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, I don't want no fate.